Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are stepping into a world full of charm, warmth and beautiful memories. Yes, today's video is all about vintage home decorating. If you love cozy corners, soft colors and timeless style, then this video is just for you. So let's create a home that feels calm, elegant and full of story. Here are some tips for vintage home decorating. The rule of balance. Why some vintage homes look amazing. A common mistake is thinking more vintage is better. Not true. You need balance between decorated versus empty space, light versus dark tones, soft versus solid textures. If everything is detailed, florals, lace patterns, your space feels heavy. If everything is plain, it feels boring. Perfect vintage is mix of both. The anchor piece technique. Every room should have one main vintage piece that stand out. Examples: a distressed wooden cabinet, a vintage style dining table, an antique mirror. Then decorate around it, not everywhere equally. This creates focus and makes your space look intentional. Pattern mixing, advanced but powerful. Vintage style often mixes patterns, but carefully. Works well floral plus stripes, floral plus small checks, lace plus plain fabric. Avoid too many bold patterns together, clashing colors with no connection. Keep one pattern dominant, others subtle. The use what you show principle. Vintage homes feel real because items are both decorative and useful. For example, a teacup set you actually use, baskets that store real items, jars that hold spices or dried food. If everything is only for display, it feels artificial. Creating cozy corners, signature vintage feel. Instead of focusing only on whole rooms, create a small cozy moments. Example: set up a chair, a soft cushion, crochet or floral, a small table, a lamp or candle, a plant or flowers. These corners make your home feel warm and inviting instantly. Mixing finishes, little detail, big impact. Don't match everything perfectly. Mix matte wood plus slightly glossy ceramic, rough baskets plus soft fabric, old-looking metal plus smooth glass. This contrast creates depth and richness. Subtle vintage touches if you don't want a full makeover. You don't need to fully change your home. Try replace modern plastic items with ceramic or glass. Add one lace or crochet element. Use a tray to group a small vintage item. Switch to warm lighting. Even 2 or 3 changes can shift the whole mood. The flow of a vintage home. A well-done vintage home has a smooth visual flow from one area to another. That means color gently repeat across rooms. Materials feel connected: wood, fabric, metal. Nothing feels too different or out of space. Windows and airy feeling. Vintage style isn't heavy, it actually feels light and breathable. To achieve this, use light curtains, lace or cotton. Let natural light come in. Avoid blocking windows with too much decor. Grouping technique. Vintage powerful trick. Instead of placing items randomly, group them rule of 3. 3 items together look balanced and natural. Height variation adds beauty instantly. Keep items at different heights: tall, lamp or vase, medium, plant or jar, short, tray or small decor. This creates visual interest and avoids a flat look. The quiet corner idea. Every vintage home should have a calm, peaceful spot. It could be a small reading corner, a tea or coffee corner, a window side, sitting area. This is not just decor, it's a feeling space. That layered look, secret of vintage style. Vintage homes never look flat or plain. They feel layered over time. Think of decorating in layers. Base layer, walls, floors, large furniture. Keep soft and neutral. Middle layer, textiles like curtains, rugs, cushions. Top layer, small decor like frames, chairs, plants, lamps. This layering creates that cozy, collected feeling instead of a newly decorated look. Materials that define vintage. Using the right materials instantly creates a vintage feel. Wood, slightly worn, warm toned, not glossy modern finish. Metal, brass, copper or aged iron, not shiny steel. Glass, clear or slightly tinted jars, bottles. Fabric, cotton, linen, lace, crochet. Mixing these materials makes your home feel rich and textured. Stories with style. Vintage decor is also practical. Use wicker baskets for storage. Display them openly. Open shelves instantly of hiding everything. Glass jars for kitchen storage, both useful and decorative. In small kitchens, this works perfectly for both beauty and organization. Adding handmade and personal touches. This is what truly makes vintage special. Crochet items, cushions, table runners, covers, handmade crafts, family heirlooms or meaningful objects. These details makes your home feel warm and personal, not just styled. Common mistakes to avoid. A lot of people misunderstand vintage style. Too many dark or heavy items makes a space feel old, not vintage. Overcluttering every corner loses elegance. Using only old items mixed with a few modern pieces for balance. Easy way to start, beginner friendly. If you want to try vintage style without changing everything, add floral or lace curtains. Use a crochet or fabric table cover. Place 2 or 3 glass jars or ceramic pitchers on shelves. Add a warm light lamp. Include a small plant or dried flowers. Small changes can already transform the feeling of your home. The storytelling concept, heart of vintage. A true vintage home feels like it has a history and personality. Instead of decorating randomly, think, where did this item come from? What feeling does it give? Does it look like it belongs here? Patina and imperfection. Very important. Vintage is not shiny or perfect. It's about natural aging. Look for slightly faded paint, worn edges on furniture, soft scratches on wood or metal. These details create warmth. If everything looks brand new and perfect, it loses the vintage charm. Nature is vintage decor. Vintage homes often feel connected to nature. Fresh flowers in jars, bright flowers, very popular in vintage style. Indoor plants in ceramic or clay pots. This softens the space and adds life without making it modern. Soft clutter versus mess. Vintage style includes items, but not in a messy way. Soft clutter, a few stacked books, a tray with candles and vase, a small collections of jars or cups. Mess, too many random items with no balance, no empty space to rest the eye. The trick is to leave breathing space between decor pieces. Focal points make one area special. Instead of decorating everything equally, choose one highlighted spot, a styled shelf, a cozy corner with a chair and lamp, a decorated kitchen counter. This makes your home feel styled, not overcrowded. Seasonal vintage styling. Vintage decor can change slightly with seasons. Summer, light fabrics, fresh flowers, airy feel. Rainy season, cozy textures, warm lighting. Winter, layered textiles, candles, deeper tones. You don't need to redecorate, just adjust small details. The collected over time look. This is one of the biggest secrets. Your home should not look like everything was bought in one day. Instead, mix different styles slightly. Add items slowly over time. Combine old, handmade, and a few new pieces. Thanks for watching the video.